How to buy Orbi's wife token. Now this token came under the symbol of Orbi. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply as goes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available right now in the screener. It's created 9 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in safe place. This token trending number 3 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token. Now it's open in front of my for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here as you can see and paste the token on this. Now click on this token as you can see. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here. I'll click here on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here as you can see, or custom it, because the most issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Orbi token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.